Frontend applies the microservices idea to the frontend. Instead of one big UI application, you can build multiple small frontend apps that works together. A micro-frontend is an independently developed, built, and deployed frontend application that is composed together to form a single UI. It has its own repo, has its own build and deployment, and it can use its own framework and version. For example, the e-commerce application has header, product listing, cart, payments, and profile. We can split UI by business domains. Team A can work on header and login, that is user management. Team B can work on product list. Team C can work on cart management, and Team D can work on payments. Here header, product app and cart app components are built and deployed separately and used in one application. Micro-frontends are integrated in different ways. Here is how it is integrated in React app with lazy loading. Micro-frontends can communicate with each other by custom events, shared states like Redux or URL root state. 1.